They say carpenters are only as good as their tools. This is also true when it comes to business. The tools that a company uses are just as important as the people who run them. New technology furthers business productivity and helps companies achieve their goals. I'm Steve Guttenberg. Let's take a look at these advancements.
Many LMS platforms overwhelm users with complex features that are hard to navigate, driving down ROI and reducing usability. Learning systems should empower people to expand their skill sets, not intimidate. DigitalChalk is revolutionizing learning.
There's a lot of companies out there that manage learning with spreadsheets still, with clunky systems, and that frustrates their employees and the customers. Employees want training that's personalized to their learning style, that's relevant, it's easy to access, it's measurable. If it feels outdated or hard to use, the engagement's going to drop. And your safety can go down too. People need to know how to be safe on the job, and training is the way that you get that across. DigitalChalk stands out because we get to combine our online learning management system with services that create a true partnership with our customer. A great example of that is working here with Viking Power Technologies. They had a big digital transformation initiative. They were in that transition, going from paper to paperless training. With DigitalChalk, they can upload all their training videos, they can build all their content, build quizzes, even using AI for that quiz creation, and automatically keep learner data current and accurate as they're going through the training.
Over the past several years, AI has exploded. It is changing how companies create and deliver training. But AI should enhance, not replace, human expertise. DigitalChalk's AI tools are making instructional designers and training managers more efficient while preserving the essential human touch. Combined with real-time support from real people, DigitalChalk is with you from setup to success.
One way AI is breaking down barriers for learners is allowing content providers to translate their content from English to any language, for example, Spanish, so that the learner can learn in their native tongue. DigitalChalk and AWS have been partnered together since 2006 to innovate in the learning management space. They continue to raise the bar in the industry by developing their platform faster than others. They are innovating in the space both for the learners and the administrative team. And finally, DigitalChalk, like AWS, is customer obsessed, and they're infusing AI into their customer support, helping their customers get answers quicker so they can be more productive and deliver the training content to their constituents.
From the start, DigitalChalk has been an incredible partner. Their team helped our implementation and rollout go smoothly, and we've been able to take their platform and take our training to the next level with it. One of the things that stands out the most is their support. So anytime we've had questions or needed guidance, they've been there with expertise and solutions, which has made navigating the shift to digital learning much easier for our organization.
DigitalChalk's tools are designed to help with a wide range of training needs, from onboarding employees to educating customers and ensuring compliance. With flexible course creation and no-code integrations, training leaders stay in control, even as you scale.
DigitalChalk has a history of learning innovation. We were the first to take our LMS to the cloud. We build online training tools that fit different learning needs. An example would be our video element editor. It makes updating video content super easy. Our AI Assist Power technology by AWS speeds up course and quiz creation. The dashboards that we have give business leaders direct access and that visibility into the progress that they need to see. We have certification sharing. That means employees can easily and quickly prove what skills they have. They can show that progress through LinkedIn, through Apple Wallet, Google Wallet, even with a QR code on the side of their hard hat. These innovations make compliance training and professional development impactful, modern, and easy to deliver.
DigitalChalk has helped us turn training from a requirement into an opportunity for growth. Since moving to DigitalChalk, enrollments to our continuous learning library and user enrollments in general have grown by 50%, which is a strong sign that we are making that culture change. We're also seeing employees more engaged with the training itself. They're listening, they're learning. So not only are we able to train them on shop floor procedures and know that we're going to have a 25% reduction in reworks, we're also able to have a safer workplace environment because of our enhanced compliance training. So we're just excited about the overall change.
At DigitalChalk, we believe training should be smart, scalable, and stress-free. You deserve a learning platform that clears roadblocks and empowers your team.
Learners really expect that training is engaging and personal. Outdated content loses their attention super fast. This is why we've invested in AI, in mobile-first design, and we continue our innovation in cloud. The future of learning for DigitalChalk is supporting high-stakes industries: construction, manufacturing, real estate, insurance, healthcare, those industries where compliance and certification really matter. Training is one of the best investments any company can make. It pays off in efficiency, in retention, compliance, safety, productivity, loyalty of the employee. We're proud to deliver those results for our customers.
For more information and a personalized software demonstration, visit digitalchalk.com.